basics, which is about the Bitrix account. I hope you have already watched the other previous videos, and now that you have watched them, so now you're ready for this video to be watched. So in this video we will be covering the Bitrix24 account. So here I have to click on my account here, and I have to put my password over here. My password goes here, and it will take me to Bitrix24 platform, which is this one. So as soon as you are logged in, so the first thing you would be seeing is this one. This is the page, so you have to be crossing this one. What you would be doing here, first you have to click on this one, you clock in. That means you start your work over here. So that now you have clocked in. So this is the place where you would be changing your details from here by clicking on this one, profile. Then you would be able to change your name and the position and all those, so you can change it from here. So mostly, as you can see, we have got all the other accounts and those who are in contact with us to the right side here, and also on the left side we also have chat and calls. So we click on this one. As you can see, we have got lots of messages over here, so we can stay in contact with them through them over here. This is the daily report that we have prepared, and we have to be submitting it each and every day here in our Bitrix account. So you copy that one, and to the groups that you have to be submitting it, the first one is recruit interns from Afghanistan. You come here and you paste your report over here, and then you hit enter. As you can see, so you copy and paste your daily report over here, and then you hit enter, and that way it would be updated or uploaded to your recruit interns group, and then you have to be submitting it to your own IMC chat, which is your name and management. So these two are the groups you would be submitting your daily report. And at the last, of course, you have to do also submit your daily summary over here as well. So you click on daily summary and Control V, you paste your daily report here, and then you hit save. So it's very much easy to group chats, and at the end over here at daily summary, so the first chat is recruit interns, and the other one is your name and the management. You would be submitting your daily report over here, and at the last here, once you paste it over here, then you hit that save option over here, and that way you would be done with your daily report. And at the end, of course, you have to log out. And guys, that's pretty much it about the Bitrix24.